Your doors play a bigger role in your home than you might think. Beyond aesthetics, they provide security, energy efficiency, and daily convenience. But over time, even the sturdiest doors wear out. If you're in St. James and wondering whether it's time to upgrade, here are 7 clear signs that your doors may need replacement right now. Difficulty opening and closing. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or requires extra force to open and close, that's a red flag. Over time, weather, shifting foundations, and humidity in St. James can warp door frames. A door that doesn't operate smoothly is not just inconvenient, it can also be unsafe in an emergency. Drafts and rising energy bills. One of the most common signs of a failing door is a noticeable draft. If you feel cool air leaking in during the winter or hot air during the summer, your door is no longer sealing properly. That means your HVAC system works harder, driving up energy costs. A modern replacement door with proper insulation can help you stay comfortable and reduce your utility bills. Visible damage or rot. Cracks, dents, rust, or wood rot are not only unsightly but also compromise the strength of your door. Damage often spreads, making the door weaker and less secure. In a coastal community like St. James, moisture and humidity can accelerate deterioration. Replacing the door ensures both better appearance and stronger protection for your home. Moisture between glass panes. If you have a door with glass inserts, keep an eye out for condensation or fogging between the panes. This means the seal has failed and moisture has seeped inside. Beyond reducing visibility, it indicates declining energy efficiency. A new door with properly sealed glass panels eliminates this issue while giving your entryway a fresh, clear look. Compromised security. Doors are your home's first line of defense. If the locks feel loose, the frame is soft, or the door no longer closes snugly, your home may be vulnerable. Break-ins often happen through weak doors, and replacing yours with a sturdier, more secure model provides much-needed peace of mind. Many modern options even come with smart locks and reinforced frames for added protection. Excessive noise. If you can hear every car, conversation, or gust of wind outside, your door isn't doing its job. Quality doors are designed to block out unwanted noise, helping you enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home. In a lively area like St. James, upgrading to a noise-reducing door can make a noticeable difference. Outdated style and reduced curb appeal. Even if your door still functions, its appearance may no longer fit your home's style. A dated or faded door can bring down your property's curb appeal. Replacing it with a modern design instantly refreshes your home's look and can even boost resale value. Whether you prefer classic wood or sleek steel, a new door is a simple but powerful update. Final thoughts. If you recognize one or more of these signs, it's time to consider door replacement. In St. James, where weather and coastal conditions can be tough on doors, investing in a high-quality replacement not only improves security and energy efficiency but also enhances the overall comfort and beauty of your home. Don't wait until small issues become costly repairs. A new door is more than just an upgrade, it's peace of mind, better performance, and a stylish welcome for every guest who enters your home.